Welcome to Sujatha ma'am's classroom. To teach children, to reach children. Joy of learning.
Students, as a part of learning parts of speech, today we are going to learn prepositions. To the examples. Drinking alcohol is injurious to health. He killed a snake with a stick. There is a dog on the road. There is no sugar in the tea. In this portion itself, to, with, are and in are called prepositions. They are showing the relationship between the words in the sentence. See the definition. A preposition is a bar placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other word or words in the sentence. These prepositions in three forms. They are simple, compound, and phrase prepositions. Come one by one. So, various kinds of relations. Some of those cheap relations are exhibited in this background term.
Behind of a lemon. Example, the lamp across the road. And after before by till. Example, wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow. By picture. Example, he came by vehicle.
Next.
This is another purpose. Car, example, he laid off a possession of which by. Example, Delhi is the capital of India. Example, they put into the well.
Kinds of prepositions. Generally, prepositions are found in three types. They are simple, compound, and phrase prepositions. Simple prepositions are found in simple words. Examples: on, it, to, with, of. And the phrase on the compound prepositions, they are made of two or three words. Example, above and beside. And here, phrase prepositions. These are a group of words consisting of a preposition. Example, in front of, in the middle of, in spite of, by the mix. These are the examples of phrase prepositions. Here, one thing we have to mind. Prepositions may come at the end of the sentence also. It's all about a brief discussion or information about the topic prepositions.